Here, Arlene, here. Arlene sees bird. Whoa. Bird, look, he's friendly, eh?
Yeah, pretty bird.
Well, look at this. Oh my God, he loves you, Arlene. You saved his life.
Right, you saved the day.
Yeah.
No, he's injured.
Yeah, he's hurt.
He's hurt.
I saw him right there.
Do you believe it?
Cool.
Isn't that wild?
He's a bird whisperer.
Wild bird, man. He wants some help from you. He's asking you for help.
Oh.
Look at this now.
Where is he?
Bonnie. Bonnie, you want to help her?
Oh, he's in my fucking hair.
He's just hanging on nicely.
Wants the nest.
He's scared. Wants to go in your hood.
That's right, too.
Okay. It's okay, bud. It's okay.
Here, hold this.
Okay.
Bonnie and Arlene save a bird.
Okay, buddy. You're okay. You'll be alright. Oh, he's so pretty. You'll be alright.
It's a female.
When my lady gets home, it's time to put up my guitar. Don't you love me, baby? Yeah, I always want you by my side. Oh, I got nothing to hide.
Birdie.
Is that what they say in school? When they go click?
Is it? I can't read.
Randy's gonna bring some wood back when we come back for your fire.